Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the realm of innovation with a lineup of the coolest Amazon gadgets you can buy. From smart home essentials to futuristic gizmos, we've scoured the digital aisles to bring you the ultimate showcase of cutting-edge technology. Get ready to upgrade your life with these must-have gadgets that will elevate your daily routine to new heights. Now, let's jump in. The CHEERDOTS CHEERTOK Bluetooth Presentation Clicker is your extreme apparatus for consistent introductions. With Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs immediately with consistent gadgets, advertising smooth cursor development, mouse tap impacts, and page-turning capacities. Its built-in ruddy laser pointer comes to up to 328 feet, improving your introductions. Requiring fair 1.5 hours to completely charge by means of Type-C port, it gives up to 40 hours of non-stop utilizing. Its thin, plan, and lightweight development make it easily versatile, fitting in your Take-4 on-the-go comfort. Congruous with laptops, tablets, and smartphones, it pairs as a selfie button and inaccessible control for included flexibility. The ARESKEY air purifier is a compact and productive solution for making strides air quality in your home or office. Including a suspending ball plan, it includes a touch of innovation to any space, whereas viably expelling toxins. With a commotion level of, as it were, 20 decibels, it works discreetly, giving a serene environment for work or unwinding. Controlled by means of touch buttons, it's simple to utilize and keep up. Fueled by a battery and weighing just 0.7 kilograms, it's convenient and appropriate for rooms up to 10 square meters. The purifier comes with a control connector, client manual, and extras for hassle-free setup. The MIAO Lab phone microscope offers an intriguing see into the minuscule world, right from your smartphone. Prepared with a CPL focal point and driven light, it captures clear and nitty-gritty pictures with up to 200x amplification. Its smaller than expected estimate and USB rechargeable battery make it convenient and helpful for on-the-go investigation. Congruous with most smartphones, it clips on effectively without the require for extra apps. Idealized for grown-ups and children alike, it cultivates interest and learning almost nature's complexities. Lightweight and compact, it's an incredible blessing thought for any nature devotee or budding scientist. The IMICRO Q2 microscope lens for iPhone offers a fascinating exploration of the micro world with magnifications ranging from 100x to 800x. Planned with spherical focal points for tall optical execution and negligible mutilation, it gives clear and nitty-gritty pictures with a working distance of 0.2 millimeter. Utilizing progressed micro-optics and smartphone innovation, it conveys extraordinary execution at a division of the taken a toll of conventional magnifying instruments, making it perfect for children, understudies, and devotees. With its straightforward stick-and-play connection by means of nano-suction cushion, it consistently coordinating with iPhones, permitting for simple operation and photo capture. Weighing, as it were, 1.28 ounces and bragging a compact estimate, it's the world's most minor magnifying instrument, culminate for on-the-go investigation and sharing extraordinary disclosures with companions and family. The AI-powered desk lamp reclassifies efficiency with its inventive highlights and savvy plan, highlighting 355 degrees movable lighting with recording and camera capabilities. It offers unparalleled adaptability and usefulness. With daylight range light, it gives reasonable and exact colors, whereas 6 RGB modes permit for customizable vibe. Whether you're working, making, or essentially unwinding, the blinder work area light adjusts to your needs with ease. Its AI innovation analyzes your work and offers experiences for enhancement, improving your efficiency and inventiveness. Prepared with a voice recording include and ChatGPT integration, it gives help and amusement, making it an irreplaceable device for your workspace. Grid Studio presents a one-of-a-kind and environmentally friendly craftsmanship piece with its surrounded iPhone disassembled phone wall art. Made through the handle of dismantling classic tech contraptions like the iPhone, Nokia, and Diversion Boy, these works of art are mounted on beautifully designed outlines, including modernity to any space. Recognized by tech devotees around the world, and included in different media outlets, Framework Studios' consideration to detail and commitment to supportability make them pioneers in the dismantled craftsmanship industry. Idealized as a tech blessing or home or office stylistic layout, these craftsmanship pieces are accessible in diverse sizes to suit your inclinations. The MOMAX magnetic power bank offers flexible charging with its inventive plan and progressed highlights. Prepared with a foldable phone stand, it gives a comfortable seeing point for different exercises. Its super attractive suction guarantees effective arrangement and charging, congruous with MagSafe battery packs for iPhone 15 or 14 or 13 or 12 Pro Max. Supporting quick remote charging at 15 watts and standard QI-enabled gadgets, it gloats a 20 watts PD USB-CQ mag control for most extreme compatibility. In spite of its control, it remains thin and compact, measuring as it were 0.5 inches lean and weighing 5.7 ounces for simple dealing with. The cutting-edge clear front plan includes an interesting touch, setting it separated from customary control banks. The IWALK portable charger is a compact and effective control bank planned for cutting-edge smartphones. Highlighting a built-in USB-C harbor, it offers quick charging for iPhone 15 arrangement and Samsung S24 or S23 Ultra, World, Pixel, LG, Huawei, OnePlus, and other USB-C Android phones. With 20 watts quick charging, it powers up an iPhone 15 from 0 to 50% in fair 30 minutes, guaranteeing a speedy charging involvement. The advanced show tracks the 4,800 mAh capacity and charging advance for savvy control administration. In spite of its capacity, it remains scaled down and lightweight, fitting easily into pockets for on-the-go charging comfort. Supporting PD Quick 18 watts input charging and highlighting pass-through innovation, it gives a comprehensive charging arrangement for your devices. The Remarkable Essentials Bundle Grey presents the remarkable 2-paper tablet, revolutionizing advanced note-taking with its paper-like feel. At fair 4.7mm lean, it's the world's most slender tablet, guaranteeing unparalleled movability. The bundle incorporates the tablet, marker furthermore, write with eraser, save marker tips, and book folio defensive cover. With Wi-Fi network and Linux OS, it offers consistent organization of notes and reports with organizers and labels. Appreciate up to 2 weeks of battery life and distraction-free center, much appreciated to the non-attendance of pop-up advertisements. Work consistently over gadgets, with remarkable apps and boundless cloud capacity given by the 1-year interface subscription. The Nebula Cosmos 4K laser projector raises excitement with its staggering visuals and progressed highlights. With 2200 ISO lumens and 4K quality, it conveys fresh pictures, indeed, in well-lit situations. Appreciate a potential picture measure of 150 inches for broad seeing. Auto cornerstone adjustment guarantees a fixed picture, whereas Dolby Sound gives immersive sound. In spite of its control, spilling by means of AirPlay and Chromecast may posture challenges. Root is simple, with the convenient inaccessible, highlighting devoted buttons for well-known spilling services. The WUBEN X0 rechargeable mini flashlight is a flexible and personalized ADC spotlight outlined for regular utilizing. With P9 6500K light globules, it gives tall yield up to 11 lumens and 175 degrees ultra-wide point floodlight. Highlighting 7 lighting modes with memory work, counting turbo, tall, medium, moon, strobe, and SOS, it offers adaptability for different circumstances. The IP68 waterproof plan and 3-stage hard anodized aerospace-grade aluminum amalgam development guarantees solidness and unwavering quality. The compact measure and attractive foot make it versatile and helpful, whereas the included stash clip includes flexibility. With a rechargeable battery and Type-C quick charging port, it offers helpful control administration and real-time battery level monitoring. Rux Robot is a multifunctional desktop AI robot outlined to hoist your everyday schedule. With a coordinates Android framework, it offers a wealthy environment of apps and network choices, making it more than fair a robot, it's your shrewdly sidekick. Lock in normal discussions with ChatGPT integration, and appreciate energetic intuitive with advancing identities through Bolt Life. With expressive activities and motions, Rux brings life to your desktop environment, advertising companionship and excitement. Personalize your Rux with 3D printing and get to its open API to tailor expressions, activities, and sound impacts to coordinate your special fashion. with Rux Domestic giving a in vogue house and consistent integration with other savvy domestic items. Rux gets to be a necessarily portion of your everyday life. The Smart Bike by Hammond e-bike technology is the to begin with completely stacked, electric, collapsing savvy bicycle with smartphone interaction. Planned for comfort, delight, and fulfillment, it highlights high-tech contraptions and fathoms common biking issues. With its capacity to overlay into a customized sack, it offers unparalleled adaptability and movability. Appreciate consistent smartphone interaction to control and screen your bicycle, guaranteeing a personalized riding encounter. Hammond points to revolutionize electric bicycles by making all updates standard, killing the require for costly add-ons. Connect the Hammond e-bike family and involvement the next level of electric biking. Time to bid farewell, fellow tech aficionados. Which Amazon gadget caught your eye? Share your favorites in the comments below, and stay tuned for more tech wonders to enhance your life.